Today we are going to learn about Theorem 5-6, the concurrency of a perpendicular bisector theorem. The theorem states that the perpendicular bisector of the sides of a triangle are concurrent at one point equal distance from a vertices. Okay, to start a problem, we're going to have to insert our photo. Okay, here's our photo. This photo is actually a map of Middle Earth from the book series by J.R.R. Tolkien, The Lord of the Rings. Our problem is that a person wants to rewrite the ending so that it's more of a happy ending. So we're going to they want the characters to have a little party to celebrate the end of the war. So we're going to put a point at the Shire where the hobbits live right here, a point right here at Rivendell where the elves live here, and a point in Gondor right here where Aragorn lives. Now these characters are going to want to travel the same distance because they don't want to have to do any extra work. So to do this, we're going to do a segment between 2 points, and this is going to create our triangle. So you just click each point and that'll create your line. Now we are going to use the midpoint tool. To use this tool, you click the 2 points for your segment, so C to D, and that'll create your midpoint. From C to E, your midpoint is right here, and from E to D, here's your other midpoint. So now that we have our midpoints, we're going to use the perpendicular line tool, and to use this, you click your line and then the point you want it fixed on. Line and then the point, and the line and the point. So right now we have the circumcenter of the triangle, which is right here. What that means is that if you travel from D to this point, that you're traveling the same distance as if you traveled from C to this point or E to this point. So to prove this, we are going to first make a new point right where all these lines meet. 1 second. Let me just put a new point. Okay, so it should go right here. There it is. Okay, now we have our point, which is equal distance from all of these. Okay, let me just get rid of this. Okay, so now we can get rid of all of these lines. So you can just object properties and then just unshow the object. Object properties, and then just unclick the show. Object, and don't show. Okay, so now we're going to use this segment between 2 points tool again, and just connect it right from each side to the point. Oops. Try that one again. Okay, now that we have all our points, we can check our math like this. This is the distance tool, and you just click the line you want to show the distance to. And right here. Okay, so if we use the move tool, this is the line for right here. Is 2.47, 2.47, and 2.47. That means that from each of these starting points, if you walk to right here, you will travel the same distance. And that is the main part. That is the how you use Theorem 5-6. Thanks for listening, and thanks for watching.